each person that's not doing the chicken dance. Trust me, I can drink my share of Jaeger, and you can help me get to the next tax bracket. So I call it my retirement fund or bail money, whichever happens first. So when you're ready for the chicken dance, say yeah. When you're ready to have fun and do the chicken dance here at the Hopper House all at the same time, say yeah louder. And if you're still sitting down, get that Jaeger up here.
Proud to be German.
Don't forget the 20 or 2 10s or 4 5s or any combination thereof. All right, for the rest of us, we start with our hands way up in here. On next, we make the chicken talk. Full up those wings. Shake the tail feathers. Clap, clap, clap. Make the chicken talk. Full up those wings. Shake the tail feathers. Clap, clap, clap. Make the chicken talk. Full up those wings. Shake the tail feathers. Make the chicken talk. Full up those wings. Shake the tail feathers.